Anika Sharma's first day at Steeltech Industries felt like stepping into a world of wonder. The towering blast furnaces, glowing molten steel, and the rhythmic hum of machinery were unlike anything she had experienced. Her mentor, Mr. Ravi Kapoor, an industry veteran, greeted her warmly. "Welcome to the heart of steelmaking. Let me show you what makes this industry so fascinating." As they walked through the plant, Mr. Kapoor explained the variety of roles a metallurgical engineer like Anika could take on. "Here, you'd be optimizing our processes, making steel more efficient and durable," he said, pointing to a control room. In the testing lab, she saw engineers using X-ray diffraction and electron microscopy to test steel samples. "Ensuring our steel meets global standards is critical," Mr. Kapoor explained. Anika imagined herself analyzing data in real time, tweaking parameters to reduce energy consumption and maximize output. In a nearby research wing, Anika met a team developing new alloys. "They're working on lightweight steel for electric vehicles," Mr. Kapoor said. "That's the future." Later, they visited a facility converting steel waste into reusable materials. "Sustainability is the biggest challenge we face," Mr. Kapoor emphasized. Inspired, Anika made a mental note to explore hydrogen-based steelmaking in her work. That afternoon, Mr. Kapoor took Anika to a brainstorming session with senior engineers. The topic was innovation in steel production. "Anika, with your fresh perspective, how would you improve the industry?" Mr. Kapoor asked.
Thinking back to her coursework and internships, she suggested, 1. Data-driven manufacturing, using AI and machine learning to predict and prevent defects during production. 2. Sustainable practices, developing low-carbon processes and incorporating more recycled materials. 3. Advanced coatings, we could work on creating corrosion-resistant coatings for offshore structures, she added, drawing from a recent case study.
Her ideas were met with enthusiasm, and the team encouraged her to lead a pilot project on one of her suggestions.
Over lunch, Anika voiced a concern she had heard during her job search. "What are the benefits of working in a steel industry?"
"That's a good question. I feel Mr. Raja Ramanan is the best person to answer your question."
So one thing is, steel is the backbone of any economy. Take any part, any part you take, there'll be steel. So steel is a very stable industry, and it is going to be here forever. And every other operation, say economy, GDP, your employment, any technology will involve steel. So you have a part to play everywhere.
Also, what do we do to attract more young engineers like me to consider careers in steel?
1. Providing growth opportunities. 2. Creating a modern work culture. 3. Engaging the next generation by hosting competitions. "That's how we found some of our brightest talent," said Mr. Kapoor, looking at Anika.